Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to close a Fundrise account using the easy method. This is a great way to empty out your online profile on your latest setup so you can safely shut everything down. Let's get into it. First, log into your dashboard and open Profile Settings. The first step is to open your web browser, sign into your account, and find the deep menu area where your personal security choices are kept. You need to get past the main loading page before the system reveals the Close button. Open your browser, type in your login details, click your profile picture icon at the top, and pick the option that says Settings or Profile and Preferences. Because the system puts the account closing choices inside your deepest private menu to keep it safe from accidental clicks, you have to open this private area so the system gives you permission to make big account changes. Without this step, you would just see your daily money numbers instead of the hidden closure tools. Now you need to look at your personal settings menu and open up the specific page where your safety options are stored. Look at the navigation menu inside your Profile and Preferences screen and click directly on the tab for your safety options. Wait a short moment for the screen to refresh and show you all your private account choices. Because the platform keeps its account removal choices tucked away inside your deepest settings area, by entering the Security tab inside Profile and Preferences, you bypass all the common payment options and find the heavy configuration tools. It ensures you are in the right spot so you can see the deeper choices laid out on your screen. Next, click the Close Account link. Now you need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to find the official link that starts the account breakdown process. Move your screen down past your password options and use the Close Account link in the Security tab inside Profile and Preferences. Click on this text link and wait for the instruction window to slide open on your screen. This is the most important part, because clicking this link tells the main computer system that you want to leave the platform completely. By selecting this option, you tell the computer to stop your regular service and open the closure system. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can begin the breakdown process. Next, confirm and wait for your money. The final step is to read the closure notes on your screen, confirm your choice to sell your shares, and wait for the company to send your cash to your bank. Click the Final Submit button and check your email inbox for a receipt. Leave your profile alone while the company reviews your request and transfers your final funds to your linked bank. Once the company finishes the waiting clock for your financial task, your shares are officially gone, your cash is back in your hands, and your account closes down forever. And that's pretty much it. To close a Fundrise account, you must first log into your account dashboard. Then you open the Security tab inside Profile and Preferences. Next, you scroll down and use the Close Account link at the bottom of the screen. Finally, you confirm your choice and wait for the system to process the transfer straight into your regular bank. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.